Hi, Jim Pinkham with MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today let's look at a 2020 AR210 by Yamaha. The back of this AR210 has got a lot of room for lounging. This large deck is fantastic to hang out while you're anchored down in the lake. It has a center walk-through with a removable cushion. Powered by dual Yamaha TR1 engines, all jet driven. It has a wakeboard tower, a single captain's chair on the starboard side, a lounge seat on the port side, large bow area, plenty of seating, cup holders, speakers, anchor locker. This AR210 comes with a dual axle galvanized trailer with a spare, fold away tongue, sold as a package. See, it has a table mount in the rear, as well as clean out ports, one for each engine. Stainless boarding ladder. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Come by and take a look at this AR210 by Yamaha.